Okay. Hey guys. So I was just showing you guys what's in my box, what came in the box, except from the charger, the case, and the pencil. But I'm actually recording on the new iPad because this is my. Let me show you guys this. This is my the iPad, the Apple iPad 6th generation, and the camera's like this. I got it in the rose gold color. I don't know why it's kind of reflecting, but it's rose gold, and then this red case. And this is what it looks like. This is my home screen. It's just me. And then you open it, and I'm being so serious. This is all the apps I have. Like, be so for real. Like, this is all the apps I have. And, it just told me, the reason I had to stop filming on this iPad was because it told me that there was no storage. Like, are you serious? Like, what I told you guys, the storage is actually bad. So, if you want to get this iPad, get it, because it's a really good iPad, but make sure to get the 128 gigabytes. Do not get the 32 gigabytes, because it's not I was literally recording on this iPad, and then it stopped my recording and said I couldn't record because I had no storage. And look, I checked my storage right now, and I've used 31.74 out of 32, so I can't record until I delete photos. Like, what? And I don't even have any photos. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but thank God I have a new iPad. And tell me if the quality is better on this one, or I feel like we're not straight. Tell me if the quality and the audio is better on this one or this one. Because I think it's better on this one. But yeah, I'm so excited to use this iPad. I'm so grateful for my parents, for buying me this because it really changed my life, literally. And I'm so happy today's my birthday because I'm finally a teenager and, there's so many opportunities being a teenager, but also responsibility. But I'm just so happy and grateful. Today we actually went out. We went to this restaurant. It's called Capital. Yeah, Capital Cafe and Restaurant. We went there, and the food was really nice. I'm gonna be posting small clips of it on my YouTube Shorts, so go follow it because I've actually been on my Shorts grind. I've been posting Shorts, so yeah. Anyways, I'm so happy that we got 50 subscribers. I'm so grateful. I said I'll show you guys what's in the box. Why am I talking so much? Okay, let me open this. I don't know why there's sellotape when I literally opened it before. Oh, okay. Okay. So this box is the box, and I love. Just tell me why. I literally love this. I love the color. Oh my god, it's like a pink. The ring light is just not letting it focus. Yeah, I just love the color. Yeah, look, see that color? It's so cute. Anyways, I'm so grateful. Let me open it. So inside, we kind of have the basics. We just have, there was an SD card in here, and then this, I don't know what this is. And then we just have the manual, like everything. I did not read this. I never read the manual, but I don't know what this is. A lot of random stuff that I don't really know. I had an SD card in there. I had those two things I showed you that I don't know what they are. I had the charging cord, but it's all the way there because I was charging my iPad, and then the manual. These are the three manuals they give you, but I didn't read them because I don't know. But inside, it just basically shows you how to set up and charge your device and put an SD card in there and everything. So yeah, pretty basic. It's not that anything too interesting. And yeah, that's basically it. And then this was the case. This was the thing that the case came in. Inside was the case. But now all that's inside is how to install the case. This manual on how to install the case. So I can't believe it came with a case. A case and an iPad and a pen. That's really good. And my opinions on this, for now, I've used this for not a full day, an hour. So I'm not sure if my opinions will change. But my opinions on this right now is that it's a really good camera. It's a really good iPad. It has good quality, good audio, good storage, and everything you would want in an iPad. This one has it. And I really like it, and I feel like it's so simple but modern. It's literally made January 1st, 2024. So it's only 1 year old. period. And the price is actually quite good. I don't know the exact price, but search it up. I'm sure it's good. So yeah, this is my new iPad when I'm recording on. This is my old iPad. So yeah. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. I'm so grateful for you all, and I love you guys so much. And those people, all my friends that wish me all my friends who wish me happy birthday, I'm so thankful and grateful for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Have a great day.